And Rosie, Taisha Bell is seeking at least $5 million. She doesn't know if she was directly affected, but her attorney says she is still emotionally damaged. Taisha Bell is the first patient of Dr. Nikita Levy to file a lawsuit against Johns Hopkins, who happens to be her former employer. Levy committed suicide earlier this week following allegations that he secretly recorded patients during gynecology exams. Bell saw Levy for 6 years.
I can remember at one occasion we were talking about an issue, per se, health issue that I was having, and brought up to my doctor, and he was almost extremely interested.
Bell said it's hindsight now, but she remembers feeling uncomfortable. Still, she was stunned to learn the news.
I yelled in the break room at lunchtime. I said, "No, that's my doctor."
In the lawsuit filed on Friday, Bell claims serious, painful, and permanent injuries from Dr. Levy's actions, and that Johns Hopkins intentionally and fraudulently concealed and withheld relevant information.
There's clear damages involved in this case. They've been hurt, they've been manipulated, they've been abused.
Another Baltimore law firm has taken more than 100 calls from Levy's former patients. Attorney Steve Kelly says he is waiting on more information before filing a lawsuit. Instead, he submitted letters to the city police department and Johns Hopkins with 5 requests.
This is the number one thing that we hear from these women. They're very concerned that their very intimate photographs have been broadcast to the world.
Police have said they're investigating whether the images were shared, and now there's a legal request to get the answer. As for Bell, she doesn't know if Dr. Levy took her picture. Regardless, she claims there's damage and is asking for at least $5 million.
Now I have to find a new GYN somewhere else, and that thought of him recording me or possibly recording me, taking pictures of me, is forever etched in my mind.
Now, we have asked police if Dr. Levy had another person in the room during the exams. They couldn't answer, but the patients speaking to attorneys say he did not. Johns Hopkins has not returned our calls all week. Also, the Cochran firm is hosting a community forum tomorrow afternoon at 2 at the Hilton in downtown Baltimore. Cheryl O'Connor, ABC 2 News.